Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming you have a Matter controller, your phone, or a compatible smart speaker, and that your account is signed in. Once done, make sure the home Wi-Fi network is active and devices have power. Next, open the manufacturer app or home app and choose Add Accessory. This begins discovery. You need the device's pairing code or QR. Keep it visible. Follow on-screen prompts and accept local network requests so devices can communicate. With the device in pairing mode, tap it in your controller app and grant permission to join your home network. You do this to exchange credentials securely and enable Matter's encrypted device provisioning. Make sure nearby devices and the hub are within a few meters to avoid packet loss during transfer. If the app asks, allow Bluetooth for discovery. Once the controller confirms ownership, assign the device to a room and give it a clear name so automations and voice control work reliably. Finalize setup by updating firmware and running a quick test. Use voice or the app to toggle the device and confirm status. Then create a simple scene or automation to verify integrations. For example, turn on lights at sunset. If a device doesn't appear or behaves oddly, check the controller's network and restart the device. If problems persist, perform the manufacturer's factory reset and reattempt pairing near the hub. This clears stale credentials and resolves most failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.